Hi, I'm Aakanksha. I am trying to build a user experience for a recruiter by creating my virtual resume. I'm from India, and after 12th standard, which is typically when you decide which career to choose, I was confused between arts and engineering. And I chose engineering because it has more job opportunities. After starting engineering, I think approximately after 2 years, I was not really satisfied with my coursework and I wanted to explore more options. This is when I started looking for events to participate out of campus. When I was exposed to an event called Startup Weekend, I participated in that event and I also organized them 2 to 3 events after that. This has played a very important role in my career and you'll soon know why. After finishing engineering in my 4th year, I wanted to explore more job opportunities outside of electronics and telecommunications, which is when my participation in Startup Weekend really helped me. I was exposed to a startup called Mellowane. What Mellowane did was Mellowane was trying to solve few problems at the store, and it did that by building a product called Mellowane Trolley. In this product, whenever you added the products in the trolley, it got scanned in the trolley itself. I was hired as their product designer. My role in Mellowane was to design and build a product in a way it facilitates the users. For which I spend a lot of time in stores observing user pattern, user behavior. While doing that, one of my biggest projects was to come up with an emotion which we are replacing, or the frustration point which we are replacing using our product. After observing users for a long time and after going through a lot of material, I realized it's anxiety, because whenever you're waiting for something or whenever there is a free time, you're idle, you're very anxious. That time makes you really anxious, and by eliminating that waiting time using our product, we are removing their anxiety altogether. Another project which I worked on was implementing a 2-part login system. So our product also gave them recommendations which required their login system so that we can record all their shopping pattern, for which of course they had to put their username and password. But it's very frustrating to remember the username and password for each and every system, given there are thousands already. So if it went wrong, we told them which specifically went wrong. Was it the username or the password, so that they don't have to go back and correct both the things. While working here, I realized how technology is influencing our behavior. Small things like colors and font affect and trigger our actions. Like, let's say yellow color would make you buy more grocery because yellow is fresh, and that would make you want to buy more groceries. This is when I got interested in behavioral sciences and behavioral economics, and this also made me think how not just technology but also social media is affecting our behavior in general. I was on social media for a small while, and the reason I left it was because I felt really uncomfortable because it was really influencing my behavior. This is when I also decided to pursue my interest in behavioral sciences further, and I took up a master's program here in the US called Applied Cognition and Neuroscience. Now it's been a year I am studying in this course. I'm specializing in human-computer interaction. I finished in May 2020, after which I wish to work as a user experience researcher and build a user-friendly product. So that was about me. I hope you liked it. Thank you.
Bingo.